Hey guys, welcome to Comfy Cozy Up. So we are on day 9. So yesterday I continued the progress and ended with over 16k. And so far today I've read. So I'm so out of it because guys, I'm back to vlogging for my regular Saturday vlog. So now I'm trying to know what I'm vlogging. Anyway, this is NaNoWriMo, right? So I am over 600 words already for the day, which is pretty early for me, but that was done in the early AM situation this morning. So I'm already starting, so I know I can relax just a tiny bit to get to the 2K for the day. So I'm happy about that. This is gonna be a 3-day off situation this week, so I'll have more time and to do both these vlogs back to back. And so for the day I need to do my journal mood and write some more. I am in part 2. So part 2 was fun so far to write. It was fun, but it also has some serious topic that I'm finally dipping into. But I'm doing it in a way that I feel often are not talked about. That I'll disclose what that is. But it's a bit, I'm loving the character, more so than the first, because there's certain things that I am adding to the story that is, I was afraid to in previous story of talking about this when you're talking about Caribbean romance. But this time around I said I'm going to be bold and I'm going to add things and touch on topics that is sensitive with a lot of Caribbean folks. So that's where I'm at with this. But I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. And I'm enjoying how it's taken me, where it's taken me. And honestly, guys, when I sit down and start writing, I don't have a plan. It's just, I just start writing and things come to my head and I just write it down. And there's moments where I'm like, ooh, I did write that kind of moment. So I don't know if you guys go through that. And I'm not a seasoned author. I'm not a published author or anything like that. So it might not be what it is, but I like when I'm passionate about my own writing and my own storytelling, because it just keeps me motivated, it keeps me going, and I need to have that kind of self what's the word, you know, give myself props give myself my own cheerleader, that's the word, in this process, so that I can continue writing, because no one else has seen this, no one else is ever going to see this anytime soon. So I have to cheer myself up along the way when I'm telling this story so I can get into it. So, I don't know why my mouth feels dry, but guys, I cooked some baked fried chicken. Did not take a picture of it, I should have. I felt the need for fried chicken, but I didn't want to like just buy it. And when I bake it, it's less fattening because I put it in the oven and I, you know, do it in a way where if you saw it, you thought I would fry it on in a regular conventional way. And I think I got too happy and bit my lip. So yeah, so I'm going through that right now. I'm like, damn it. But it was so good. And then I was talking to my mom today and touching base with her, and she's sometimes my mom just swooped in right in time to say stuff to encourage you and make you smile. So that's where I'm at right now. So I'm going to do my journal today and start writing. That's the goal. Hey guys, we are in day number 11 and I'm over 20K. Yes, that felt good because I'm like, I definitely want to see if I can had another 10K by the end of this week's vlog. I'm also off for the rest of the week, so I have time and I'm using it, and so these extra day that I have, I'm going to make the best of it. So tonight, it's not even night yet, guys. It's literally like 4:30 and it looks like pitch dark outside. I'm not with this daylight saving time situation. But anyway, so I'm going to, the goal right now is to keep writing. I'm going to wrap up part 2 hopefully by tomorrow and head into 3 where it gets a little bit more interesting for me to tap into this character that I want to. But also there's 2 things that I noticed already that I'm going to have to tweak a little bit in the story. So I've been, writing everything down that I want to do so that when I do finish and I have to go back to do some editing and stuff, I'll be alright. So I have my notes book. I really like this. I didn't know what purpose I was gonna have for this, because when I got this notebook, I got it because of the paper quality. It was a Tomy River paper, same as the Hobonichi, and I wanted to test it out to see if I was going to like it. But I like it for what I'm using it for. I don't know if I would necessarily want to use it as my regular journal, because I'm so used to the style of the Hobonichi's layout that I love, that this probably wouldn't. But as a note, as jotting down things and writing things, because I do a lot of writing in here. Sometimes I would be on my lunch break and I would sit down and write ideas that I want to add to the story. And so this book has been really, and then it's thin, it's thin. It is, faux leather, and strap it up. Sometimes I have little sticky notes in here and stuff. So I am constantly writing things, writing ideas, things that come to my mind in this, and things that I know I want to probably change later on in this. So I'm enjoying the writing process, guys. Really enjoying the writing process, and I glad that I have more time now that I'm for the rest of the month. Well, the rest of the year, I'm not working more than 3 or 4 days per week, so I have additional days. So if those of you asking me how I'm doing reading and all of this, I do have time, which is so helpful for me right now. So that's what I'm focusing on. And then I need to do some other fun things that I have worked out for this month. So I don't want to just constantly write and not do other things. Although when I look now on the amount of time I spend writing, it's about 2.5 hours a day. So it's not a lot of time that I spend writing, and sometimes it feels like it because my mind is always constantly thinking about the story I'm writing. But the time I spend sitting down in front of the computer and write is about 2.5 hours a day. So that should tell you the dedication that you have, or how many people. I know people probably spend more than that a day, but for some reason I've been able to do 2.5 hours a day. I don't know if that's going to change now that I have more free time and I have extra day off per week, that if I might spend more than 2.5 hours. But I think this time around, sticking to the 2K per day, give and take, I'm probably going to do maybe 2,500-ish for the next few days because I'm off. It's good for me. It gives me a balance, and it makes me not feel like I'm going to burn out. I do remember maybe the first or the second time I did NaNoWriMo, that I was trying to push for 3 and 4K kind of deal, and after a while I felt burnt out, and I didn't want to do that this time around. I want to take my time, write this story and enjoy the procedure, enjoy writing the story, and not feel like I'm gonna burn out or get frustrated or after a while not like what I'm writing. So I don't want to do that. So the 2K a day has been really, really helpful. And yeah, so we're gonna continue, guys. We're gonna continue. Day 12, guys, and I'm halfway. 25K, over the 25K. So today is the most I've wrote. Yeah, 2,814 words today. I meant to do 25, but I was in the middle of a section. I just kept going. It's 25. I'm happy about that. Yeah, I'm loving this part. This is part 3. Remember when I said I was going to enjoy writing part 3? I love how I ended part 2. Yesterday I ended part 2, and I love how it was not what I was thinking. I was trying to figure out how I was going to end it, but it just came out really like what I wanted. It just was perfect. And then part 3 was a lot of the past and stuff that I had to write, but it came out good. I'm loving it. I'm loving my story. I love when I feel like I'm writing something, I'm enjoying what I'm writing. So it's a long way to go in part 3. It's gonna be a lot of things to dish out and go through for part 3. Yeah. Alright, guys, so it is 11:52 p.m. so yeah, the night writing continues. So I'm going to get some tea. I'm going to take this makeup off. I did my wrap up for my vlog that will be out before this video today, so I still got makeup on my face. I need to wash that off with some of the goodies that I got. Check out that video. And then I might do some reading because I'm not tired. I'm not tired for some reason, but I don't want to write anymore for the night. Definitely not writing anymore. This is it for the night. But I'm going to get some tea and maybe watch a movie. I need to do something relaxing, but if I pick up a book, I'll probably fall asleep right now. So maybe I'll watch a movie for like an hour or two, or the movie watch me. Anyway, bye guys. See you tomorrow. So that's 2,716 words per day. So I am over 30K. So let me show you guys. And I still have 3 minutes on my clock, so I could have wrote some more, but I am tired. So what we have. So this is where I'm at. And what badge is this? Oh, the 14-day badge. So that's it, guys. Close this. That is it on part 3. Yeah, I think I'm going to end part 3 here. Yeah, I think I'm going to end part 3 here. Yeah, I think I think it's like the perfect spot to end part 3. Yeah. So guys, yes. So this week has been a bit choppy in this video. It's just, you know, sometimes when you get into this writing mood, you just winging it. There's sometimes I remember to turn the camera on, and sometimes I forget to turn the camera on, and so the progress has been choppy. But I got to the 30K in 14 days, over 30K in 14 days. So that is something I'm very happy about, and I am going to continue this tomorrow. So I'm going to end the vlog here. So this is going to be from day 8 to 14, so that's a week, and I will edit tomorrow, and you'll have this on Tuesday. So that is the goal. And this week, again, having a little bit of more free time is just beneficial for me right now. I do have another 4-day week, so I have 3 days, and I have vacation next week, so I have a lot of time to relax and to just write, and I'm enjoying the process. So yeah, guys, let me know how you guys are doing. What's your progress? How are you able to do this? For me, I'm also enjoying my little playlist. I've been listening to a lot of R&B music when I do this, and loving it. So yeah, so I'm gonna end this here, and yeah, another week of NaNoWriMo down, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.